Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. This is the smallest box. I don't remember the names of them. I did purchase all three, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox this one for you. Please excuse the fact that I am not wearing makeup, but I just got off work, saw these were here. I didn't do my makeup for work this morning. The sun's going down, so I don't have time to do that and get this video up. So we are just going to run with it. I believe this one was $60. I don't remember. I will leave everything down below. Like I said, I don't remember. Today is the 10th when I'm filming this, and I obviously ordered them on the 31st, which was the launch date, so it did take quite a while to get here, but I mean, I kind of expected it to, with as much as many sales as he was going to make with these. So I'm very, very excited to open this. I don't have like any Jeffree Star stuff except for the collaboration he did with Manny a long time ago. So I'm excited to get basically anything that's in here. So I won't have any repeats unless there's repeats throughout the boxes. Okay, now that I've destroyed this, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And here is what's inside. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little Jeffree Star beanie. So it does say Jeffree Star right here. I actually don't own a beanie. I've always wanted one, but I don't know if I can like pull it off. So let's see. Sort of matches my shirt today. I don't know, is that cute or do I look stupid? I don't know. I'm excited about that though. I will actually wear that. It is still cold here in Iowa, so that's fun. I also got a Jeffree Star pop socket. This is something I probably won't use just because I don't use pop sockets on my phone, but maybe. I feel like I film on my phone and the way I have to like set it up, it doesn't work. So I might use it, we'll see. Next thing is called the Gloss, and this is in the shade Succulent. I've never tried any of his lip gloss formula before, but the packaging on them is stunning. This might be the Valentine's Day thing, actually. Every box has an exclusive item. This might be it. It's the red packaging, maybe? I don't know. That's really pretty. It's a pink shade. I love, love, love the packaging on these. They're so detailed, so pretty. Let's see. Ooh, smells good. Yeah, it's like, oh wow, that's really frosty. That's pretty though. Okay, I'm excited for that. Next thing is tissue paper, tissue paper. I think this is all that's left. Yep, okay. So this is the last thing in the box here. Oh, this is wrapped in alien paper. Please be alien palette. Please. I'm so excited right now. This is discontinued. This is the Jeffree Star Alien palette. Okay, I am so pumped right now. This was discontinued and I did not purchase it, but I wanted it so, so bad. And now I have it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cool. There's all the shades. I'm actually not gonna swatch any of these because I am gonna do like full videos on all of these products, obviously. So I'm pumped. That smells kind of weird. Okay, that's everything. For 60 bucks, I'm down. Like, I think it was $60. Like this palette alone, I'm pretty sure is close to 60, and you get a pop socket, a gloss, and a hat, which I'm so excited about the hat. I really like it. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know down below what you guys got. Like if you got any of these boxes, what'd you get? Did you like it? Was it worth it? That kind of stuff. And don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I will be posting the next boxes for the next few days. So if you guys want to see more of them, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.